2.
You looking for something to suck on?
Haley.
What's the matter? Whoa. Oh my gosh. Did you just see that, Randy? You should have taken a video of that.
No, I didn't see it.
She
You need to put it over here so I can take a video of it.
Well, I let her down and she backed up and she went forward and she like scooped back like,
She's attacking you. So. Hello. I'm purple. I'm lemon. I'm lemon drop yellow. These puppies are cool.
hey, what about me?
Sillies. You wouldn't come out. Don't you? I know you want to. I'm tired.